question third. The floor of a rectangular hole has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the four walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000, find the height of the hole. In this question, base of perimeter of the base is given and the total cost in cost per meter square is given, and we have to find out the height. First of all, we will write the given things, that is total cost. It is given that this is rupees 15,000. Cost per meter square cost of painting, you can write here, cost of painting per meter square, that is rupees 10. Perimeter of base, it is given that 250 meter. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the height of the given roof. First of all, I want to tell you one thing, students. What we are using in this question? For painting the four walls, which area we are using? We are using the curved surface area. And what is curved surface area? That is 2h into L plus B. So we are not having the area, but we are having the total cost. First of all, I am taking here, let L, B and H are length, width, or you can say breadth, and height of roof. Firstly, I have just taken this thing, let L, B and H are the length, width and height of the given roof. Now perimeter of base, that is 250 meter. But what you can write at the place of this thing, use the formula. What is in the base? That is a rectangle. And that rectangle is having the sides length and width. So what is perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. That is equal to 250 meter. Leave this thing here only. हम इसको यूज करेंगे, इसको यहीं छोड़ देंगे अब आप. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पे हम चलते हैं. टोटल कॉस्ट इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ walls into cost per meter square. Total cost, what is that one? That is given 15,000. मैं सिर्फ फॉर्मूले में वही वैल्यूज रख रही हूँ which I have known. मुझे टोटल कॉस्ट का पता है, that's why I'm writing here 15,000. And what is this area of four walls? I haven't the value. Not problem. Write the formula 2h into L plus B into 10. This is cost per meter square. हमने अभी तक 2 questions हमने किए हैं. In those 2 questions, what we did? Area into cost per meter square. That is equal to total cost. But यहाँ question opposite form में है. This is given, but the height is asked. So what is the value of this? You can write it h into 2 into L plus B multiply with 10. So you can write the value of this thing 2 into L plus B. H into 250 meter into 10 is equals to 15,000. And now what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of h. हमें सिर्फ h find out करना है, बाकी values को this side लेकर के आएंगे. And it will come in division. 250 into 10 equals to h. 0 with 0, both zeros will be cancelled. 25 1 ja and then 25 6 ja. This implies h equals to 6 meter. Again I am explaining this question. ये question अभी तक जो दोनों question किए हैं उसकी opposite form में given है. यहाँ total cost given है, cost per meter square given है, perimeter of base is given. First of all हम लिखेंगे total cost, that is 15,000, cost per meter square, that is rupees 10, perimeter of base, that is 250 meter. अब हम बेस को क्या लिख सकते हैं, 2 इंटू एल प्लस बी इक्वल्स टू 250 मीटर. Now come total cost equals to area of walls. Area of walls क्या रहेगा, 2h into L plus B. But we are having the value this 2 into L plus B. हमारे पास ये value है, हम यहाँ निकाल चुके हैं इसको. It is given that the perimeter of base is this. So we will put this value 250 here and cost per meter square is 10. And now in the next step we will take these values this side and these will come in division and we will solve and we will get the value of h.